Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's Friday. It is currently 6 o'clock, 6:08. I just got home. Me and Bella, we've been out all day. So yeah, yesterday I did a lot of cleaning. I changed my sheets on my bed. I changed the sheets on my bed. I vacuumed and did all of that. Today, there's two things I want to tackle. I deep clean. I not really deep clean. I did a declutter of my desk area. Right now, I really want to do. Why is the camera not on my face? It's like in my whole chest. I want to do a declutter of my side of the closet. It's very small, and you guys, with all the hauls I've been doing, things have been piling up. So now I really want to sort through and see what I'm gonna keep and what I want to get rid of, what I'm not gonna wear anymore. And oh, the light behind me like is a lot. Bella really want me to put this sweater on her, you guys. So I'm gonna place her down so I can put the sweater on Isabella. Yeah. All right, let me show y'all what we're working with. Okay, this is it. So this morning I was trying to look for my Gymshark leggings. I couldn't find them, so I got pissed and I just threw most of the stuff that were up here and most of the stuff that were sitting in here. I just threw all of them on the floor. Mind you, this is not all the clothes that I have. I also have clothes in these dressers. The top one is my underwear. The two other ones are clothes. I most likely put household, like things I wear inside the house, in these two. And the top one is my husband's underwear, and the two is his house clothes. His side of the closet, as of right now, I'm probably not even able to open it. So that's his side. Of course, he doesn't have as much clothes as I do. So this is like his going out clothes, and this is the shoes. He got more shoes, but these are the ones that he wear more often that are in here. That's the best that I can do, y'all. So let's get into this. This is what we're working with. Oh, this is not getting no declutter. Or maybe should I don't know. But we're putting my little sister here. Say hi, Layla. She's putting all the clean space ever. She's putting all our clean dishes away so we can load up with a few dirty dishes that we have. And this one over there, only ask when food is ready if you cook it.
Doesn't clean anything either.
Doesn't clean after himself. No. Walmart pickup, and I was extremely satisfied. The only substitution that they had to do is with the Swiffer wet jets. They ended up getting the Gain, which I didn't even see that the Gain was available. If it was, that's what I was selected in the first place. So I'm very excited about that. I need to refill my Swiffer. And the third substitution that they had to do was my fabric softener. I like the yellow one, but they out and they swap it for the blue. It's fine. Maybe I'll fall in love with it. These products here are brand first time products that I'll be using. The how would you say it? Mrs. Myers? Mrs. Myers. So this is the dish soap. I have the multi-surface cleaner, everyday cleaner. And we have the room refreshener. I ordered all of these in the same flavor. Why I say flavor? The same scent, lavender. But this one, I think they were out, and I got the basil, which I have the blueberry basil from Bath and Body Works that I love. So we'll see about this one. But yeah, you guys. So I'm about to use this to clean my counters today. I still have some Dawn dish soap. But I think I'm gonna pull my Dawn dish soap and only use that for my makeup brushes. Alright, y'all, we have now reached the end of the night.